Rolling is one of the most powerful skills you can do with option selling. Today, we're going to be going through a roll that I'm about to do on SoFi. I'm going to walk you through, try to explain what I'm doing in real time. This video is not scripted. We're just going to get after it so I can hopefully give you guys that value with rolling, because I want you guys to understand rolling on a deeper level. Now, it's not so intimidating. It's really very simple to understand. Now, just before we actually get started, nothing in this video is financial advice or a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any securities in this video or options. So yeah, that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so right here we have SoFi. Oh, phone's ringing. We have SoFi. Ah, it's my mom. Give me a second. Hey, mama. Sorry about that. With my mama. Okay, so SoFi. Let's take a look at SoFi. Okay. So we have SoFi here. I have 6 $27.50 calls. Okay, so basically when you sell covered calls, you're doing it so that you can create consistent income and then also get some price appreciation, right? So it's really great. You get price appreciation, you get pretty consistent income, but sometimes it gets away from you. Okay, so that's kind of what's happening right now. It's not too bad. I have actually, we're not going to do the 2750. We're going to do the we're going to do 29. This one still has a lot more time, so we're not going to actually do any action on the 2750. But this $29 strike right here, expiring this week, September 26th. So what we're going to do is we're going to catch this while we're still in this nice zone where it's not too deep in the money. Okay, so SoFi is $30.10. I sold a $29 call, right? And right now it's in the money. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at rolling. So now if you're on Robinhood or some other brokerages, they're going to have a roll feature, most likely, which is basically doing the roll in one move. But what a roll is simply is you're closing one position and you're opening a new position, right? So this roll button it basically does that in one swoop, okay? But all it is closing a position and opening a new position, right? So we're going to roll. I'm going to click that roll button, okay? So that's going to basically close this. So right at this market price, 146, this is how I would think of it. $29 call. It expires on the 26th. We want to close that, and we're going to try to get some appreciation. So we're going to try to go from 29 to hopefully 29.5, and watch this. So if we go 1 week out, or basically 11 days out, we get 29.5, and it's 160. So that means we're going to get a credit, because here to close it, we have to pay 147. And to open that new position at a higher strike, we get 160. So if I do that, we're going to get a $14 credit roughly for adding 7 days of time. We're getting paid that theta. Now, if we, for example, moved it out to the 17th for that 25, we would be getting a lot more money. But we're also getting adding a lot more time, right? So we're adding 21 days to get paid an $80 credit. So we're closing this leg, 29. We're getting $50 of price appreciation because the contract is for 100 shares, plus we get that credit. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go so far out, because with covered calls, the way I like to play them is I like to go the shortest duration I really can while also getting a credit and a price appreciation, because if it gets away from us even further, we added too much time that it's going to be a lot harder to roll into the future. But time decay, theta, actually decays at an exponential rate as it gets closer toward expiration. So I want that theta decay to be decaying as fast as possible. So what I'm going to do is the 147, we're going to roll, we're going to do that 29.50. Going to click that. So we're adding 7 days. And then we're getting a net credit. Now it's $13. So I'm going to do that So let's see here. We'll go back to that 13. Let's see, medium fill. Let's see if that works. And we got filled. Okay. So now this -2, you'll see that we'll have 3 positions there. Yep, there we go. So now, basically, we got $50 more of price appreciation locked in, and we got a little credit, which was about 0.5% for that week. So that's not bad at all. If you want to take your options trading to the next level, I have a link in the pinned comment for you to join the Options Hero community. There's a free trial if you use that link. It's a great time. We're all making a bunch of money there, and it's a good time, and we're all learning from each other, and there's live calls every week. And yeah, we'd love to see you there. So yeah, hit the link in the pinned comment, and we'll see you there. Hope this helped. Short and sweet video. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments.